Matahi Brightwell, tohunga Waka Ama. Matahi is well known across Aotearoa as the man who revitalised Waka Ama.
Punavia Lagoon, Tahiti, July 1980. I sat in my first one-man canoe. For me, that first experience was like, these are my roots. I was there to build my sailing canoe, Hawaii Nui, with my father-in-law, Francis Cowan. I was learning how to build canoes, taku puahia ki porirua. My tutors, Ruakaika and Kohe Webster and Hone Heke, insisted I revive the dying waka culture of Māori.
Matahi established Amokura Waka Ama Club in Gisborne, the first official club to be established in Aotearoa.
84, I rang my father from Tahiti. I said, Dad, I'm going to start Waka Ama. Can I use your name, Amokura, please? So while I was building Hawaii Nui, I was learning all the paddling technology, and I decided to bring that sport back here and revive it.
Since then, Matahi has revitalised Waka Ama all over the motu.
Then I went from iwi to iwi throughout the North Island and introduced Waka Ama to whānau Māori. But because I think I was successful in sailing the double hull canoe, Hawaii Nui from Tahiti, they believed me and they trusted me. I think that was the main reason, that if I had sunk on the way here, I don't think Waka Ama would have come to what it is today.
Matahi Brightwell, proud to be Māori.